Hi everyone, are you also worried about the deleted data from your hard drive or other memory devices? So today in this video I'll show you how you can recover those deleted data. But before going on to the software, let me create that scenario first. As you can see, this is my USB drive which has only limited files on it. So let me format it so that I can show you the recovery on real time. As you can see, I have formatted my USB drive and it has no files on it now. Now let me take you to the tool. The tool we will be using today for our recovery is Advanced Disk Recovery. You can simply download it from clicking here and install the software. Once you install it, simply open it. As you can see, you can select your hard drive, CD, DVD, removable drive or even partitions from here. As I have formatted the drive from a removable USB drive, I will select removable, and as soon as I select it, my pen drive is selected. Now if you go to settings, in the scan options you can set the parameters here, and if you go to filter options you can choose here as per your preference. You can also even select the date when you deleted the data, so it will start scanning from that particular date, and save the settings. You can change the language of the software here. If you go to help, you will find other important. Now once selected, let me start the scan now. It is recommended to use the deep scan for better recovery results. And then click on scan now. Now let us wait for the scanning process to finish. You can see that it has found 871 deleted files, where I only deleted a few files from the pen drive. Now if I keep on expanding, you can see that these are all my data which I can recover now. So I am concerned with my PDF files, so I have selected my PDF files and also the data before I formatted the drive, and finally clicked on recover. Now you also have to create a folder other than the drive from where you want to recover the data. Simply create that folder and click on OK, and the recovery process will start. As you can see, all the deleted files has been recovered successfully. It has found a total number of 871 files, out of which 100 files have been recovered. Now finally click on finish. Now let me show you the data. Once recovered, you'll get similar folders. Now if you open it, you'll get all of your data. The good part of the software is that it recovered all of my files with its original name, so it is easy to find out which files you want. So the software is very powerful, and it brought almost many of my previous data that I deleted. So to buy this software, simply go to this link and click on purchase. Now if you purchase it now, you can buy it for as low as $5. And not only that, you will get a Systweak photo organizer software absolutely free. So avail this offer. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.